Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mitoljana, NPM 2011010436. Di sini saya akan membacakan teks bahasa Inggris yang berjudul Hajj as a Medium of Communication and Calling to Islam. Hajj is not just one of the pillars of Islam and a kind of immigration to Allah, the exalted that unites Muslims from various parts of the world, nor is the objective behind prescribing it merely a form of adherence to the true religion. Instead, Hajj is also an important tool of Islamic dakwah or invitation to Islam and a powerful medium of communication. Hajj is one of the means of communication specific to Islam. Hajj is the integrated international conference on the face of the earth. The annual conversation of fast and the greatest greeting of humanity ever. Muslims from every corner in the global meet in Hajj. Allah the excited size. What means and problems to the people the Hajj problems. They will come to you on foot and every lane camel. They will come from every distant past. Quran. Allah the Almighty silent for the greatest and like greeting. The greatest conversion which is Hajj. Muslims from every place on earth assembly is Mecca during Hajj in response to the call of Allah the Exalted. They migrate to their Lord with longing heart, leaving their parents and families and devoting temples solely to worship. They observe the rites that Allah the Exalted prescribed, exactly as they are commanded, with changing or neglecting any of them. Hajj as a great impact on the heart of Muslims in solidifies their beliefs and guarantees fight and tranquility within their heart. The Prophet performed Hajj in order to show Muslims the due ritual of Hajj and Umrah and underline the Hajj rites, which are considered and means of dakwah to Islam. The first means of dakwah in Hajj, the common cans which the pilgrims repeat with humble and some sympathy heart to their Lord. Among the manifestations of Islamic dakwah that are associated with Hajj. Number 1, Krasmabulation around the Mecca 7 round. Number 2, standing in Arafah, which can be likened to a great conference and confession of place where Muslims from every honor the global meet. Number 3, talbiyah, saying labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la syarika laka labbaik. Our heart come to you, Allah. Here I am to worship you. Here I'm to respond to you. There is no partner with you. Verily, I'm promised bhakti and domination block to you. There is no partner with you. And takbir, saying Allahu Akbar. Allah is the repetition of this melodious devotional chant serves as an effective medium technique to instill the meanings of Tawhid or Islamic monotheism and obedience to Allah the Almighty deep within the heart. Number 4, throwing the problem is also an effective technique to deepen the confidence of Satan's anything against man. The ritual symbolically express man's repulsion for the devils. Number 5, size between As-Safa and Al-Marwa constitutes a wonderful act that aims at enhancing Muslim commitment and accent to her religions and the Lord. Hajj as a profound impact on Muslims who develop better and stronger devotion and proximity to the Prophet and comment to his Sunnah tradition are the main benefits of Hajj aside from worship. There is no doubt that purposeful and training in every time and place have their strength that behind humanity. Some of the bands of Hajj are again in trade and chunks of material goods, as well as the exchange of information, spiritual material, and news. Muslims should seize this art of worship with this is probably and make full use of it is an opportunity that is from to our Muslim do benefit from this powerful Islamic means of communication. Part that is what is meant by the verse that read. What means that the way witness begins. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.